Hello from Ukraine. My name is Alexander Pakarmyaka, and this is the continuation of the story of our research of DME, dimethyl ether, that we are using in the blend with the LPG. I'm staying near the vehicle that has the monofuel LPG liquid injection system, and it was designed by Hyundai Motor Company. This system is very unique by its capabilities and functions. It has only a fuel rail that is dedicated for liquefied petroleum gas injection, and during our routine job I've decided to make an experiment of filling this specific vehicle with the blend of LPG and DME. What is very interesting that DME also has the cleaning properties, and we are testing both properties on this specific vehicle. That is fine-tuned for using the LPG as the fuel, and what we have done. This is our small and mobile filling station. We have made the blend of 30 to 70 by mass, and we have filled this tank that has the pump inside for use of this fuel. It was empty at the beginning. DME has very interesting also feature that is hydrogen and oxygen rich. So when we are looking on the exhaust tailpipe, you see there is a water and no soot. So long time ago I have decided to make the research for this specific fuel for the DME, because it's very interesting and forward-looking. And even during the war period, and I'm filming this video the August of 2022, we continue our job, and I'm very excited to see that the results are really brilliant. In the next period, I think in September, we will continue our research in a more efficient way, but still we are very glad, and I'm personally, that these results are showing that we can use the DME in existing infrastructure, and the existing users can buy this product and apply to the existing vehicles and engines in a very simple way. So be in touch. Thank you for subscribing my channel. This is the DME Fuel channel, and my name is Alexander Pakarmyaka. Hello from Ukraine.